The hip is our largest joint and it has a huge weight to bear, our entire body. In this video, the PGA Tour doctor discusses common injuries of the hip.
Hips are amazing instruments, able to move in almost any direction while still supporting the full weight of the body. To accomplish this, the bones, cartilage, ligaments, and muscles of the hip must all work in tandem. The hip area is more than just the bones on the sides of the buttocks. It also includes the thighs, hamstring, and groin. The hip is a ball and socket joint reinforced by a strong ring of cartilage called labrum. A supporting system of ligaments allows the hip a wide range of motion. A variety of injuries can befall the hip, but the most common are overuse injuries, also called strains. Strains can occur in any of the hip's muscles and range from a mild overstretch to a torn muscle. Tennis players sometimes suffer from overuse injuries like hamstring strains, which often occur when they move from stillness to activity very quickly. Bruising on the backs of the thighs or difficulty walking can result. Hip flexor strains, another form of overuse injury, often occurs in martial artists or cyclists. A hip flexor strain will usually result in pain near the crease where the thigh meets the pelvis. Bursitis is a type of hip injury that occurs when the hips bursa, sacs of fluid which allow joints to glide seamlessly past one another, become inflamed. Hip bursitis can occur due to a single hard fall on the hip or an accumulation of minor stresses, like when runners repeatedly jump hurdles or jog uphill. The symptoms of bursitis depend on which bursa are inflamed. Most people who have hip bursitis experience intense pain, a limited range of motion, or aching in the thigh and buttocks. Occasionally, a hip injury will rip the ring of cartilage called the labrum. Symptoms of labral tears can include locking of the joint, noisy clicks and pops, and pain in the groin in the front of the hip. More than one of the golf pros I've treated has suffered from uncomfortable labral tears. Usually they arise when younger golfers twist too vigorously on their swings. The hip is an intricate joint, able to hold the weight of the body and support a full range of motion. Because of this, our hips are prone to injury. If you experience pain in your hip, groin, or thigh, see a doctor.
Want to learn more? Check out other videos and sources on this site for more information.